my name is Jasmine and this is Ryan, and we are building the Haven floor plan. The best part of our experience so far with Shaw Homes have been just the easy and flexibility of being able to meet with someone, being able to easily pick out the options that we want, and also being able just to see the variety of model homes that they have available. What I enjoyed about the design studios was just all the options and selections that they have, and also just working with Alana and having her help us see what those options would look like, helping us compare options with different colors and things of that nature. I think something that sets Shaw Homes apart from different builders is the floor plan options that they have. We have been looking at many different floor plans, and we have found one of the best ones that we have seen in a really long time. We've been looking for maybe about a year and a half now, so I think this is like the best and perfect option for us. I would say to take your time, come out, look at the model homes, reach out to one of the representatives just to be able to know your options. They are definitely flexible. They work with you, and they also have really great preferred vendors that get back to you really quickly.